In today's video, I'm going to teach you AI Tools section explained. Think of your AI agent as the brain, and this AI Tools section as the hands and legs. The agent decides what needs to happen. The tools actually do the work, calling services, crunching numbers, reading and writing data, and sending outputs. I'll walk you through each tool so you know when to use it and what to watch out for. First up is the Call n8n workflow tool. Use this when you want to chain workflows, keep complex logic modular, or offload heavy tasks to a separate workflow. It's like asking a specialist assistant to handle a subtask, keeping your main flow clean and fast. The Code tool lets the agent run custom code for calculations and data transformations that built-in nodes don't cover. It's perfect for edge cases, quick mappings, or generating instructions on the fly. Keep your code small and well commented so it's easy to maintain. The HTTP request tool is your bridge to the outside world. With it, your agent can call any API, fetch live data, or update records. Pay attention to authentication, rate limits, and error handling so the agent responds gracefully if a service is slow or returns an error. The calculator tool handles arithmetic and more complex math, from simple sums to currency conversions. It's great for on-the-fly results without leaving your workflow. The Postgres tool connects to a PostgreSQL database. Use it to query live data, update records, and automate internal operations. Start with read-only access in testing, and always validate inputs to avoid accidental changes. The Redis tool gives you fast key-value storage for caching, sessions, or counters. It's ideal for temporary memory or throttle tracking. Remember to set sensible expiration times to keep data fresh. The Send email tool lets your agent communicate through notifications, reports, and alerts. Test with a safe recipient and clear subject lines so automated messages are obvious and traceable. The SerpAPI tool pulls Google search results, enabling research, live trends, and quick discovery. Use focused queries, and remember that search results can vary by location and time. The Wikipedia tool provides instant context from articles. It's excellent for enrichment, and you should encourage summarization and citation for clarity. Wolfram Alpha adds serious computational power for math, physics, chemistry, and factual analysis. It's reliable for units, formulas, and structured answers. The Google tools, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and Sheets, connect you to your workspace. Send or read email, schedule events, edit docs, and update spreadsheets directly. Use the smallest necessary permissions and log key actions. Finally, the MCP Client Tool integrates with specialized internal services and proprietary systems. It's your gateway to company data and custom APIs, with access controls handled outside n8n. Together, these tools make your AI workflow action ready. Combine them with your AI agent, and you'll have fully autonomous automation inside n8n.